People trying to say I'm only enemy. Got a code with my dogs, can't get in between.
What is going on, guys? So welcome back to another video. I just want to make this video today showing you how to get more sales and how to pick the best product for you guys. So going to be a short video. I mean, if you want to find a winning product, it's only going to take 10 minutes or less. So literally stay tuned and I will show you the best process for like 2022 to find the best product. And guys, just really quickly before we get into the video, if you are interested, I have released my course. It's called the 6-Figure Academy, and basically I show you every step that I took along the way to creating £100,000 per month in my store. Basically just a step-by-step over-the-shoulder guide in terms of ads, product research, you know, how we scale, everything to do with that. I've got a few testimonials here from students who I've given this course to early. This guy is now making £50,000 a month. This guy's now making £30,000 a month, and this guy's never ran ads before, so he was pretty happy with that. But yeah, it's basically how to master all the platforms and how to scale them efficiently without really losing any money on the way. And the best way of going about scaling your stores, the fastest way. So if you are interested, I'll put it below. I'll quickly show you the login area. So once you do sign up, this is how it'll look. Basically, you go into your account, and then you're going to have all these modules, and then you just go through each one, and then you basically just follow it and make a winning store. So if you are interested, link is below, and yeah, hope to have you a part of the 6-Figure Academy, guys. So guys, I'm going to be showing the exact strategy that I took to scale this store to £100,000 a month. I'll be going quite in depth in this 10 minutes and just really concise, to the point. All you have to do, if you don't find the winning product the first time, rinse and repeat, try it again. But basically just showing you the actual steps I took to create a £100,000 a month store. So as you can see, today it's about 10 to 5. We've done 3,000 in sales with about 66 orders and about 1,500 sessions. So we're at a good ROI today, so that's not too bad. And probably aim for the end of the day, it should be around 3,500–4,000. So let's just see what we spent in ads today as well. So today we probably spent, to achieve that £3,000, we've spent about £600 in ads. So that's about 4 or 5 ROAS. And over here is actually what we spent in the whole month to create the £100,000. So we actually had a 7.92 ROAS with 2,000 conversions and a really good click-through rate of just over 4%. So look how easy it is once you have these systems set up, and the scalability of these ads are crazy once they get going. So in my exact strategies I'm going to show you now is how I got these products. So just bear with me and we will go through the exact strategies on how to do that. So essentially, some of my strategies here is actually going to be leveraging other platforms to find these products. So for example, it's actually easier to find the product via Facebook or via a website that already has statistics, such as like ECOM Hunt or something along those lines. So basically what we want to do is go on Facebook, you want to go to videos and then sort by most recent, and then what you want to do is type 50% off. So what this is going to achieve is, if you guys have been in the game long enough, you will probably see the dropship. Okay guys, so how are we going to figure out what product to run? So my strategy is, for this 10 minutes, all we're going to do is actually head to Facebook, because I actually I'm personally going to try and find products to run on every platform, but I always start with Google, because I'm probably the biggest fan of running products on Google because they're really consistent, right? So okay, let's go to Facebook. Let's go to the video section and sort. You can sort it by most recent, but you don't have to. Sometimes that doesn't work. So all we're going to do is type 50% off. And what we're going to do is actually find some of these like drop shipping products that have worked really, really well, or at least find a niche where we could tap into. And all we're going to do is try and place ourselves within that niche or product and like stand out and actually have a better selling point than the others. So let's have a scroll here, and I'm looking here. So 50% off, free shipping. Yep, that's absolutely a drop shipping store. 50% off AirPods carrier. So that is on there, 1.6 million views. scroll up here. So anti-gravity phone case, 50,000 views. Sounds like BS, doesn't it? Anti-gravity phone case. If we keep looking up here, super practical car cup holder, 2.3 million. So let's have a click on this. So last day 50% off. Yeah, last day 50% off. I guess it's been saying that for a few months. So look at this, guys. Got his big jug in there. Practical cup holder. So there we are. Let's have a look and see if we could run something like this, or if there is a place, you know, like a market for this elsewhere. So all the strategy is, guys, is, you know, he's got his food in there too. All the strategy is to basically go to Google, type car cup holder, and when you're in there, all you want to do is see how many people are advertising. So mostly it's Amazon here. It's quite surprising. And as you can see, there's no search ads. So that is another thing you could capitalize on. You could run search ads, but only if there is volume. So I'm already looking on here because I've got my keywords everywhere tool, and I can already see that there is. But if we actually head up to Keyword Planner and we search car cup holder, we can actually have a look at the volume. So you want to search by, or you want to have it by the monthly searches. So just simply click on that, and it'll bring the most search keyword up. So if we have a look, here we are, car cup holder, 12,000 searches a month. If we keep scrolling down, we've actually got the branded search here. So WeatherTech cup phone holder, 9,000. So there is potential here, you know. Like I said, they're not even running search ads. You capitalize on that, and to be honest, it's got quite a good cost per click. And obviously my advice, as you would see in my other videos, if you do want to run these ads, bear in mind, just basically use all the branded searches as negative keywords, but that is obviously like for another video. So yeah, as you can see here, I can probably just tell this is mainly a Q4 product from looking at the search volume on the top. You can see it did really well in the last Q4. It had over 300,000 searches in Q4 alone. So if we actually go to another thing as well, we go to Google Trends. I always like to go on here and just check it out. So if we go car cup holder, past 12 months, as you can see, it's actually had like relatively good search volume all year round. Obviously that little bump in Q4 as expected, but yeah, like even year round it's actually quite good. So that is always a good sign. So guys, just taking a look on their website, as you can see here, this is the exact product being advertised, and they've got it up for, you know, 15 pounds. So that's interesting. So it's the exact same product we've got there, 4-in-1 cup holder, adjustable size. And all we're going to do is actually head over. So this is obviously drop shipping all over. You know, they've got their scarcity, hurry, deals ending. I mean, I wouldn't make my page look like this because this is a very like old way of doing it. I mean, yes, they've got the GIFs and all that, but you know, it's not the best layout. But let's head over to AliExpress. So I've actually typed it in here, and you can see the best selling one is actually, so it's £6 on AliExpress. So that ticks the box of, you know, is there a margin there? So you could probably put, you know, I'd probably say 20 to 30% margins are probably achievable on this. So like you could sell it for, you know, £15. You could put, you know, 6 into the product cost. You probably put another 5 into the marketing, and then the rest would be your profit. So that would be my advice for this sort of product. And all it is just rinse and repeat, really. Just use this whole same process. Like I say, go on the trends, go on AliExpress, use Facebook, and you will see the winners, and you will kind of see where you can put yourself in the niche where it will work. And just a quick example, guys, going back to Facebook. So the anti-gravity, I'll just mute that, phone case. So I've just looked at this really quick. Sort of this anti-gravity phone case. You can, you know, I think put it anywhere, and sort of the wrong label of anti-gravity, isn't it? It's more like sticky phone. So if we go to the shopping ads, we have shopping ads for it. So, you know, there is people advertising for it. But if we go to the keyword volume, there actually isn't many people looking for it. So again, I probably wouldn't run this. Not every product that is on Facebook is going to be, you know, viable for Google. So again, it's just one of these things to look at. I mean, it did spike in July 2021, probably because someone was advertising on Facebook. Really, you know, they were probably hammering it on Facebook, so it just made them search on Google. But again, it's not one of these things where it always works. So just keep at it, keep trying, and then you will find one. So guys, I'm just going to show this on one more product. So it's probably a little over 10 minutes now, but I'm just helping you guys out. So I found one here. So New Year's sale, 50% off, free shipping. It's these sort of like winter walking boots. I think they've tried to use, the seasonality of it to try and sell, but I think these will probably sell, especially in the European countries, like, for the first, 4 months of the year at least, like quite well, because everyone seems to be out hiking or trying to get outdoors, and, they're really pushing that pain point on there. So it's a really good ad as well that they've done. So I was really interested by that. So if we go over to Google, so all I've done here, so I've typed walking boots women, and we do have some, we've got like £120, £82, $39.99. We've got a lot of ads running, so tells me, there is some volume, and as I can see here in the keywords everywhere, there is some volume. So let's go over to the keyword planner. Let's just put this in, walking boots women. Hiking boots for women, 135,000 searches a month. That is crazy. Walking boots women, so looks like I picked the wrong one, but obviously Google's sort of just giving me the winning one. So here obviously is, they got the top winning ones there. That's at least 200, well, probably just under 200,000 in searches a month. So yeah, the volume's there. So all we got to do now is plug it into AliExpress. Well, first, no, we're going to go to the trends. So go to the trends, we can see what sort of trends we're getting. So as expected, Q4, it pops off. It sort of dips off, it's looking like it dips off from about March time. So, a good time to build data, really. I don't really say scale in these times, but, I'd always say building data so you're ready to scale to what works in Q4. And I teach that all in my course, like how to get ready and prepare for that and have the systems in place. So if we actually go to the AliExpress now, so all I've done is type walking boots women. So we've got a bunch of results here, and it's looking super promising. I'm gonna actually sort this by orders actually only, so we get the best deal. So look at this, £19 boots, and it's pretty much exactly like the one we've just seen on the ad. That is about 3 times the price. So there we go, guys. I mean, you can see people are ordering on here. It's actually being ordered. And all you guys need to do is see where you fit in the market. So I'm actually going to pull up their website now, and this is their website. So they've got all these options here. You can get any color you want. They've obviously done well with the, they have X amount left when really they probably don't. They've got a scarcity tactic. There's only 22 minutes left to buy. Gives some incentive for the buyer. But yeah, not a bad website really. They've got the order tracking too. Say 50% off, and it's a good markup really. I mean, it's definitely got the volume behind it. Yes, it's probably on the more competitive side, but is it really that tapped into just yet? Probably not. Who knows until you try. But yeah, that is going to be a wrap for the video, guys. Real quick, just it's probably like the surface level of product research, but if you're really just starting, it's the best way to do it. But if you guys want any more in-depth product research, obviously I do have that on my course. It's not just a plug, but if you do want to see it in some videos on YouTube, let me know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.